It's something a whole lot of people don't like to think about, or they just put off until it's too late. Putting together a will or a living trust, simply getting your finances in order before something unexpected happens. And that's exactly what the subject of this Business Matters report focuses on.
How was your weekend?
A graduate of Pearl City High School and the University of Hawaii, Michelle Ogata now heads up Estate Planning Partners, a law firm whose sole focus is learning about their clients' families, assets, and goals, and then developing a succession plan for when a family member passes on.
Hi, do you have a few minutes?
Yes.
Okay. So that at the end of the day, their family's not left with a mess after they're gone. And another big goal is so that their assets end up with the right folks.
Without a legal trust, Ogata says families can find themselves not only wasting a whole lot of time and energy, but ultimately a lot of money.
Attorney's fees can add up. It does take time. Our courts are really busy, so by doing the estate planning documents, it's there to save the family from having to end up in these court proceedings.
And sadly, it happens all too often. Families fighting over money or assets when a family member dies, making an already difficult situation that much worse.
Especially in the state of Hawaii, because property is so valuable. The home is oftentimes the common reason for fighting, and we do these documents to try and minimize or avoid that fight if possible. We've seen a lot of families go through heartache and fighting and just spend a lot of their inheritance on attorney's fees because documents were not in place, they were not done properly, or they weren't updated.
Ogata says the decision to move into trust law is the direct result of what she witnessed firsthand as a young girl when she lost her father.
How it worked in our family was that he handled the finances and my mom raised the kids. And so his passing was very sudden. And when he passed away, my mom was left with this mess. She had to go through a probate proceeding and bank accounts were frozen. I was 12 at the time, so I had no idea what they were talking about. But what I did get from those meetings with her attorney was that it gave her peace of mind knowing that if something happened to her, a plan was in place so that my sister and I would be taken care of and that, we wouldn't be left with a mess after she was gone.
Today, her firm is not only building out its client base, but they recently completed building out an entirely new location. And like those she serves, she says COVID forced the company to change, but still remaining true to the firm's core mission of being prepared for the unknown.
I think estate planning has this sort of stigma that it's there for older folks. But with COVID, as you know, young, old, it could affect anyone. So what it did was it made a lot of folks move forward with getting it done. We had a lot of clients in the healthcare industry, and they're working with patients with COVID on a daily basis. And so even more so, it was something that they wanted to get done, and they wanted to get this done soon.
And it's those clients, she says, who are the fuel for the company's success.
Hello, this is Michelle. A lot of our business comes from referrals, clients referring their colleagues, their family, their friends. And so, we put our clients first and their needs first, but in turn, that just leads to a more successful business for us.
They have a great firm, and like Michelle likes to say, a couple $1,000s now could save you perhaps tens, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars down the road.